everyone and welcome back to the crypto channel number 1, and today we are gonna review some news. It's Amazon's Bitcoin acceptance can prime a payments future. The second news is Cambodia explores cross-border transactions of CBDC like Bakong. And also we're gonna talking about such interesting news like Bitcoin fractal and what can we actually expect it from it. So it will be interesting. Consider to subscribe. Also drop a like button. Thank you so much. And let's get started. So this would be a huge validation for crypto, said Kapil Rechi, co-founder and CEO of CrossTower, an institutional-grade crypto trading platform, when asked to consider the possibility that the rumors were true. It would be a clear sign that there is significant user demand for crypto for companies of this size to implement it or offer it as products. So actually, also, this would be a huge validation for crypto, said Kapil Rathi, co-founder and CEO of CrossTower. The Amazon report originated from a United Kingdom newspaper, which disclosed via an anonymous Amazon insider that the e-commerce giant could begin accepting Bitcoin before the end of the year. Amazon later denied the report, but Roman Beck, a professor at IT University of Copenhagen, told Cointelegraph that it really wouldn't have much of a lasting impact on the sector, even if true. So let me know what you're thinking. Basically, I think that the price chart already including such news and maybe implements such Amazon and other. So let me know, let's discuss. Amazon could have been a leading force in the tokenization of the e-commerce industry, Beck said, capitalizing on its huge installed base of customers on a global scale. Instead, it squandered its opportunity. Amazon lost precious year in developing digital leadership in the emerging token economy. The company should have embraced crypto 2 or 3 years ago, in his view. So, greater acceptance from Bitcoin? It would be an enormous deal, agreed Pat White. Both Amazon and Apple could have massive importance, he said, for different reasons. Amazon would trigger congressional hearings, he continued, raising questions whether we were really becoming a corporatocracy system governed by corporations. Though it would be incredibly bullish for the market, he added. Obviously I can agree with that if we'll be seeing some big huge news as Facebook, as Amazon acceptance, so it obviously predict now big bullish trend. So it would give Bitcoin holders more options to spend their Bitcoin and could thus spur its use as a medium of exchange. George Mason University's Lawrence White agreed that Amazon's acceptance of Bitcoin could make the world's largest cryptocurrency more viable as a medium of exchange, but only if people actually used it as such. Converting Bitcoin to dollars and dollars to Bitcoin isn't exactly a seamless process at present. If your income in dollars and your expenditures are in dollars, it seems like a lot of trouble, a hassle, so it's not real popular, he noted. So Alan Greenspan once supposedly said that regulators cannot lean against the wind to dampen economic swings, answered back. In the case of the emerging token economy, is that wind of change. Any regulator continuing a fundamental opposition toward crypto tokens is doomed to fail. So this is obviously big, huge news, and if we will be keep you updating about Amazon acceptance, about Facebook acceptance, about maybe some another big companies would enjoy to accept it, and we will be discuss how that exactly can influence to the price of Bitcoin and what can be we waiting for. So Cambodia explores cross-border transaction of CBDC like Bekong. Well, there are other policies that need to be in place, like having a stable exchange rate and inflation rate, Sari stated, concluding that the mission of Bekong is to increase the usage of the local currency, with the long-term goal to solely use the country's local currency. According to data by Wall Street Journal, the United States dollar is currently used for 90% of financial transactions in Cambodia. Well, so the digital project has amassed nearly 6 million users in the first half of 2021, including those reached indirectly through member bank mobile apps, recording a total of 1.4 million transactions was nearly 500 million, Siri noted. Developed by NBC in collaboration with Japanese blockchain technology company Soramitsu, Bekong allows Cambodian citizens to pay at stores or send money through a mobile app, supporting settlements and remittances in the real of United States dollars. At the project's launch, Sari emphasized that Bekong should be not referred to as a CBDC, but rather a payment and money transfer service. So this is huge news, because we can see that cross-border transactions like Bekong for Cambodia is really big. So let me know in the comment section below what are you thinking. Let's discuss it. Also, please drop a like button, thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe. And the last but not least news is Bitcoin Fractal that predicted 2020 rally flashes again as Bitcoin price reclaims $40,000. Well, so pitting Bitcoin prices against MACD. In 2020, Bitcoin prices reacted accurately to the MACD crossovers. The chart below illustrates the said correlation. Well, we here can see the picture of April 21, and we can see that signal line, bearish crossover, bullish crossover, and price still $40,500. So let's continue reviewing which we'll be waiting for. On the downside, traders will keenly monitor the 36K level. On breakdown below 36K, Bitcoin can quickly move to 2842 32k range. So also on a conclusive breakout of the $40k level, Bitcoin could challenge the 48k level, the executive said. So now histogram is recovering back to zero, with the two lines looking at a potential MACD convergence. The same fractal appeared last in March 2020. That followed a massive Bitcoin price rally from $3,800 to circa $65,000. And it's pretty much 15x. So it's really interesting. We will be watching for indicators, and I'm more than happy that we today have many different instruments to, look to the chart from different perspective, and it's for us very huge because we can better trading and earn much more profit. Thank you all for watching to the end, and I highly recommend you my next video when we'll be talking about also huge big news, Bitcoin and crypto. So consider to subscribe